iam biclaw. Muna galw tar he. En gima ka teingil ani. So agin ga tiam lona ni naidam sela galom kop mai. When I went to Mizoram, I was 27 years old. It was quite a long time ago. Some of your leaders, Reverend Lal Murava Alte, Reverend Dr. Lal Soma, and well, my It was, as hriat has said, a wonderful and a testing time. We lived through a period of trouble, and we will never forget the strength and the sympathy that we drew from the people of Mizoram. Because of that, you and your land and your people will always be in our hearts. When the history of the Presbyterian Church in Wales comes to be written, I think there are two contributions that it has made to world Christianity. The first is in hymnology. I think Pantycelyn and Griffiths, these will stand. And the second is the missionary endeavour. I counted, I think, over a period of 70 years, that 16 ordained ministers from Wales went to Mizoram. If you add the devoted teachers, doctors, nurses, their wives, husbands, it comes to maybe 50 over 70 years. There are, I believe, something like 1,800 currently missionaries from Mizoram working in different parts of India and the world. It's not a bad return, is it? That, I think, will be a contribution that will be remembered. Perhaps you'll allow me to end on a personal note. Some years ago now, the great Italian tenor, Pavarotti, came to sing in Llangollen. My and I were invited to the concert and to supper afterwards. The date was July the 9th, which happens to be Myra's birthday. And that day is a treasured memory. Today is July the 9th. It's still her birthday.